The famous Indian car manufacturer Mahindra has confirmed to bring the 7-seater versions of the Thar next year. The new generation of Thar will get 5 doors. Mahindra has a plan to launch this new 5-door Thar at the end of 2022 at the expected starting price of Rs 14 lakhs ex-showroom. The new Mahindra Thar 5-door variant will be based on the modified versions of the existing platform. After launch, the SUV will be the rival of newly launched Force Gurkha. Talking about the power, the new 5-door Thar will be available in 2 engine options. BS6 Complaint 2-liter M-Stallone turbo petrol engine which can be able to deliver 152 horsepower, and BS6 Complaint 2.2-liter M-Hawk turbo diesel engine which can churn out 132 horsepower. The petrol engine can be able to give the mileage of 15 kmpl, whereas the diesel engine can be able to deliver 13 kmpl of mileage. The engines will be mated to an optional 6-speed manual or 6-speed AMT DCT gearbox. 4-wheel drive powertrain system with a manual transfer case will come as standard. Talking about the exterior look, the new generation 5-door Thar will be almost as same in look as the outgoing Thar, except few changes. Up front it will get the same circular headlights and the signature 7-star grille, front fender equipped LED DRLs, 2 fog light setup and updated front bumper. The side profile also will not get major changes except bigger wheelbase with 18-inch crystal cut alloy wheels and 2 doors in each side along with side footrests. The rear profile also is expected to get the rear LED taillights, rear washer and defogger, rear wiper, tailgate mounted spare wheel and updated rear bumper with bumper mounted rear fog lights housing. The interior of the SUV will not get major changes except 7 seating capacity. The SUV will get the same airy cabin, power adjustable steering wheel with steering mounted controls, cruise control, semi-digital instrument cluster, new touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto along with Bluetooth and navigation system, push button start and stop, remote keyless entry, premium sound system, automatic climate control, multiple bottle holders, 12-volt charging point, Bluetooth enabled music system with aux and USB connectivity, leather upholstery with seat lumbar support, height adjustable driver seat and rear seats with 60/40 splitting options and remote fuel lid opener. The 5-door Thar will be equipped with a number of standard safety features including ABS with EBD, engine immobilizer, electric stability control, automatic emergency braking, speed sensing automatic door lock, seat belt and door hazard warning system, dual front airbags, ISOFIX child seat anchorage, speed alert, roll cage, panic braking system, lane keeping assist, snow chain provision for tires, central locking and rear parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Thank you.